Welcome back to AutoCAD Mission 99. Today in lecture 9, we are mastering the arc command. In my professional journey, I have seen so many students get lost in the 11 different arc methods. Don't worry, you only need 3 specific methods to handle 90% of architectural work. Let's jump into the screen. This is our draw panel. Line and polyline we already discussed in lecture 7. Circle and their 6 methods also I have discussed in lecture 8. Now in lecture 9 I will discuss arc and their 11 methods. But as I told intro video, no need to explain all 11 methods. We need just 3 methods. This is the 3-point and start, center, end, and the final one is start and radius method. This is the 3-point arc method. It's called the landscape king. I use this primarily for landscaping and irregular garden borders. See, this is our plan. If I want to draw a landscape here, just consider this is first point, this is the second point, and this is the third point. For that, I type A for arc and select the 3-point method. So start the first point. This is our second point, and this is our third point. See, this is the landscaping for gardening. This is the 3-point method. First point, second point, and third point. Again, I will make here another landscaping. For that, I will type A for arc. Choose the 3-point method. This is our first point, this is our second point, and this is our third point. Okay, click the first point, click second point, and click third point. This is our second landscaping for the gardening. Now the second one is start, center, end method. This is called the door swing method. First, we will check the distance here. For that, we type DLI. This is 2 feet 6 inches opening for the door. So I will type a line that is exactly 2 feet 6 inches. So L for line, I will draw that 30 inch line. Okay. Now, as I told you, this is start, center, end method. So I will type A for arc, click the start, center, end method. Start point, this is the center point, and this is the end point. Again, I will draw here. Suppose L for line, this is the 30 inch, and this is the 30 inch. Okay. Now I will show you clearly. Type A for arc, go start, center, end method, start point, center point. So this is the end point. If your arc goes the wrong way, hold Ctrl to flip it. Just hold Ctrl to flip it. Again, I will type A for arc, go start, center, end method, start point, center point, and the end point. Now we will go to use start and radius method for window arches. Let's see, here we will draw a arch. See, here is our start point, here is our end point, but we don't know the center point of arch. For that we use, but we know the radius, suppose 3 feet, because our diameter of our length is the window is 6 feet. That means diameter 6 feet and the radius will be 3 feet. But we know the radius. For that we use start and radius. We cannot use start, center, end. We know start point, end point, but don't know center point. But here for this object, we know the start point, end point, and radius 3 feet. So let's go to start. First, I will type A for arc. Go to start and radius method, start point, then click end point. If your arc goes the wrong way, hold Ctrl to flip it. Just hold Ctrl, see it will flip. Now press the radius. How much? This is 3 feet and press enter. Check the radius. Go dimension, click radius. This is the 3 feet arch and the diameter of the arch is 6 feet. Here I want to draw another arch. First we will check the diameter. For that we type DLI for linear dimension. From here to here, this is 3 foot 4 inch, means 40 inch. So our radius will be half, means 20 inch. Okay, now type A for arc. Go center end radius method. Why? Because it is our start point, it is our end point. We know the radius is 20 inch. So select start and radius method. Click first point, click second point. Hold the control key to flip it and put the radius 20 inch and press enter. Check the radius. One feet 8 inch means 20 inch. In this way, you can draw arc using the start and radius method. To summarize, use 3 points for free curves like gardening, start, center, end point for your door swing, and start and radius for your arch. Your homework: draw a standard 3 foot door and create a perfect swing arc. In lecture 10, we move to rectangles and polygons. I am Engineer Pinku. Subscribe to Green Building Engineers and Architects. Om Shanti. See, this is our Omani integrated logistic service project. I was there from day 1 to handover. Here is this is the landscaping. I have made this. This is the carved stone. This all are carved stone. Thank you very much.